If you want to see how I took my family room, dining room, and now reading corner from this messy, not arranged field of things to this peaceful, calming place that we are currently loving, please stay tuned. We are going to clean, declutter, and we are going to rearrange this place. I believe you're going to love it. Let's get into the video. Let's go, guys. So this is what this room looks like. As you guys know, this is our upstairs loft. It's a huge loft space that I have personally divided into 3 to best fit our family. So the section which you're looking at is where our family room sits. It's where we come, we have movie night, and we sit here as a family and watch movie. And right here is where our dining room is located at. And then when you go a little bit behind it is where I have created and made into our little formal reading corner. I just wanted to call it a very simple and peaceful space. But as you're looking at it right now, it's all messy. There's way too many furnitures. And as you guys know, I do not care for that. So we are going to go ahead and get here all cleaned out. Let's do it, guys. I'm going to go ahead and remove everything that was right here. And as a magic like that, it's gone. It's the magic of the internet, guys. So I went in and removed everything that was there. I'm going to go ahead and add this beautiful wall art that I've shown you guys on the haul. If you haven't seen it, I'm going to go ahead and pin the haul right on the right corner of the screen so you can go ahead and watch it. This wall art is from Ross. It's beautiful. I love the golden look of it, and I just like the fact that it's industrial. I like the sculptural look of it, so I'm gonna go ahead and add it there on the wall. I tried and this is what it looks like. I prefer being on the longest way instead of the largest way. I went in and added a couch. Not to bore you with that on the screen, I added a couch, and that was my couch that was downstairs. The couch came upstairs, and now it's going to be a little Bible reading corner, quiet time. I'm loving this couch, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and clean, vacuum, bring in the table. Guys, listen, you don't want to miss this video. Keep watching, guys. I love the way everything turned out here.
To be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit
Give me love, give me all your love. Oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need. And I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love.
If you like this video, please go ahead and click on the like button. It was my pleasure filming it for you guys. Stay tuned for the full house tour to see where every pieces are from. I can't wait to bring that video out to you guys. God bless you all. Bye bye guys. Until the next video. See ya.